Good morning all and welcome to my channel Happiness at Your Fingertips. So today's topic is about lemon plant, that is how to grow a beautiful lemon plant into your own balcony garden or terrace garden or a home garden that you have or whatever space that you have actually. So this one is my lemon plant that you are seeing. Yes, it has started flowering, and of course there's also a lemon that is coming soon. So I'm really pretty excited to grab one from my particular planted tree, and trust me, it is really very exciting and a rewarding experience to grow your own lemons and grow your own fruits into your own little space that you have. So it isn't difficult actually to grow a lemon plant as long as you're providing their basic needs. And at the same time, as I said, it is very rewarding experience to start growing a lemon plant at home. Okay, so before I skip on to the main topic कि इसका basic needs और requirements क्या होता है, lemon plants, how can you grow them at your own home space, I would like to give you a background about this particular plant. So this plant is a small one, as you can see, and I have planted it in a pot of 10 inches actually. And this was a small seedling of at least 6 inches, I remember, when I have brought it from Kolkata. And this one is a special breed of seedling and a very dear one to me, because the one we call as Gandharaj, yes, this is the one. So its leaves are even its leaves give out those citrus smell that we all like. It has that freshness in it, in its look, in its appearance, in its smell, everywhere. So I'm super excited about the lemons that are all set to come in. So okay, now lemon trees need a larger space to grow. Like we all have seen lemon trees in our lives, they really need a larger space to grow, but you can also grow them in your pots and containers as well. They can be easily propagated through cuttings, also through air layerings, and of course through seeds. But majority of us, we find it easier to propagate through large cuttings by using rooting hormones. Those are usually available in the market. So rooting hormones are very common and are available online also, so you can get them if you want to grow them from cuttings too. While it can be also grown from seeds, but usually seedlings are slow to bear, and they are really slow to grow also. So this one is a beautiful plant of mine, and I love the color of its leaves. As you can see, it has beautiful green leaves, and small buds are there in between. They are all they are all coming in. As you can see, the camera is there on the buds. They will finally turn out to be beautiful white flowers. Those will give out nice citrus fresh smell all over, and I am really excited at this moment. And you can also see a lemon that is growing in. Okay, now getting on to the main topic is how to grow lemon plants in your own little space. So the first factor, not wasting time, the first factor is selecting your pot size. Now you can grow them in a container as well as you can grow them in a soil if you have a garden. So this one of mine is grown in a 10-inch container. 10 to 12-inch container are enough to grow a beautiful lemon plant in your own balcony space. So the first factor is of course choosing your container. So this one is very important, because lemon plants, they literally, grow, they spread properly in order to bear fruits, flowers. So a proper container is required for their space. Now coming to the second factor is climate. Climate is a very important factor for these citrus plants. Now lemons are cold sensitive of all citrus fruits I have seen, and because of these factors, lemon plants should be placed in the south side of your home, which receives the maximum day's sunlight. They need a warm temperature to grow and bear its fruit. तो जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, ये मेरा balcony space है. This is my small balcony that I have. It's a 10 feet balcony, I can say, and this is well lit. It gets the maximum amount of sunlight throughout the day. Starting from 12 actually in the noon, so it gets the maximum amount of 6 to 7 hours of sunlight, and it's quite suitable for this particular plant's growth. And again, it's interrelated. The third most important factor I would like to say is sunlight. Lemon plants require a full sunlight, as I said, for its adequate growth. At least 6 hours of proper sunlight is necessary for this plant, and only for this reason these plants are actually outdoor plants. Any place of your home which receives at least 5 to 6 hours of day's sunlight is suitable for placing this plant there. It can also be a window that you have, that you keep open, that receives the maximum amount of day's sunlight. If you wish to keep a lemon plant, if you wish to harvest some lemons in your home, then you can place it in that particular window also. So, okay, now moving on to the fourth important factor. The fourth important factor of this particular plant is soil and watering. Now, this is one of the common important factors related to all plants. Lemons are excellent houseplants and will comfortably grow in a container as long as it provides adequate drainage and room for its growth. They prefer slightly acidic soil. Again, I repeat, they prefer a little bit of acidic soil. So, keeping the soil moist and fertilizing them is also necessary. Okay, now I fertilize my plant once in a month with vermicompost and alternatively with cow dung manure. It is necessary in order to keep your plant healthy, to start its fruiting or flowering. So again, you should keep this in mind that lemon plants require a very well drained soil, and the drainage holes in your pot should be nicely made so that the water drains out and there is no kind of excess water slogging in this particular plant, so that the roots does not start rotting. So there goes the fourth important point. So now coming to the fifth point is about fruiting. Like, this is not a condition, this is a thing that I wanted to say. Like, a few of my friends, a few days back I have given a few pictures of this particular lemon plant flowering in my balcony. So a few of my friends have asked me that how does a small plant like this have started flowering so well and it's bearing fruit. So there is no secret to it, guys. It's just that honestly speaking, even I was a bit surprised when it had started its first flowering, because it is only 1 year of age. And to tell you honestly, if you are bringing in your own lemon plant and if you start growing and wanting to grow some nice lemons in your garden, then do not expect to bear flowers, that your plant will bear flowers in just 1 year. It may take 2 years also, so it takes time to grow flowers, frankly speaking, because I have seen other lemon plants in my home in Durgapur too. So again, now lemon plants will start fruiting and will have nice fruits only if you fulfill certain basic conditions. As I already said, the 4 conditions previously. Again, I would like to say all are interrelated, and lemon plants must be planted outdoors, which are also recommended in order to increase their chances of bearing fruit. Like, when you grow your lemon plant indoors, bees or other insects are unable to pollinate them. Therefore, it should be placed outdoors during summers. And you can also hand pollinate them if you don't want if you don't have any kind of bees or insects near your plant. You can also hand pollinate them yourselves. So this is all I could say about my lemon plant, because I have experienced this kind of experiences I have with this kind of a plant. So I hope you like this particular video, you find it informative and helpful, and trust me guys, it is quite rewarding and great experience to grow your own fruits in your own garden. May it be your fruits, may it be your own vegetables, may it be 1 or 2, but it is really a great experience to grow them on your own. And again, like, when you find these particular petals they are shredding off, then the next stage is fruiting in your plant. So this is what you should again remember, and at this moment you should always keep your plant watered thoroughly so that your plant does not get damaged. Okay, now fine, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So if you did, do not forget to press the like button down there, and do not forget to press the subscribe and press the bell button beside subscribe in order to stay with me for many other interesting videos. You can also follow me in my Instagram account, the link to which is given below in the description box. So till then, take care, have a great day, stay safe guys, enjoy your day, bye bye, thank you.